Hey, good to see you.
Hey, good to see you too. How have you been?
I've been good, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm doing great. I've been busy with work lately.
Oh, really? What kind of work are you doing?
I'm working on a new project. It's interesting, but a little difficult.
I understand. Sometimes work can be challenging.
Yes, but I enjoy learning new things.
That's good. Nice to meet you, by the way. I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom. I'm Sarah.
Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved here last week.
Welcome. I hope you like this place.
Thank you. I really like it so far.
Good morning. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect today.
It feels so nice outside.
I agree. It's a great day for a walk.
Wow, long time no see.
Yes, it's been a while. How have things been?
Things have been good. I've been learning new skills.
That's great. I'm happy for you.
Excuse me, where is the nearest cafe?
The nearest cafe is just around the corner.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only a 2-minute walk.
That's great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Do you go there often?
Yes, I usually go there in the morning.
What do you recommend?
I recommend their coffee and sandwiches.
Sounds good. I will try it.
I think you'll like it.
Could you help me with this, please?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm trying to understand this.
Let me explain it to you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
What is this called in English?
It's called a charger.
Can you say that again, please?
Sure, it's called a charger.
Oh, I understand now.
Great.
I have a great idea for this project.
Really? Tell me about it.
I think we can make it easier and more creative.
That's a great idea.
Can you check this for me?
Sure, let me look at it.
Do you think this answer is correct?
Yes, I think the answer is right.
How was your weekend?
It was good. I spent time with my family.
That sounds nice. Did you do anything special?
Yes, we went to a park.
Are you free after work today?
Maybe. Why?
I want to discuss the project with you.
Sure, we can talk after work.
I need to focus right now.
Okay, I'll let you work. Excuse me. Do you have this in a different color?
Yes, we have it in black, blue, and white.
Which color do you recommend?
I think blue looks really nice.
Okay, I'll take the blue one.
Good choice.
How much does that cost?
It costs $20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome. What would you like to order?
I'd like soup and salad, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Your food will be ready soon.
Excuse me, I didn't order this.
I'm sorry. Let me check that for you.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Wow, this is really delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
I feel so relaxed right now.
You needed some rest.
Yes, I've been very busy lately.
You should take some time for yourself.
I'm so tired today.
Maybe you should sleep early tonight.
I'm really looking forward to this trip.
Me too. It will be exciting.
I'm really sorry about that.
Don't worry, these things happen.
What a beautiful day.
Yes, the weather is wonderful.
Today was a really good day.
I'm happy to hear that.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, let me help you.
I don't know how to do this.
Don't worry, I can show you how.
Could I borrow a pen, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. I'll return it later.
That's okay.
Can you pass me the salt, please?
Sure, here you are.
Take your time, there's no rush.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, anytime. Hello, who's calling, please?
Hi, this is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing well. I'll call you back in 10 minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Good morning. Just checking in on you.
Thank you. That's very kind.
I'll be there in 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
It's so nice to see your face.
It's nice to see you too.
Just so you know, the meeting is at 3 o'clock.
Thanks for reminding me.
That's so funny. Tell me more.
Okay, I'll tell you the whole story.
It was so lovely to see you.
It was lovely seeing you too.
I had a great time today.
Me too. It was really fun.
See you tomorrow. Have a good evening.
Thank you, you too.
What a great day it's been.
Yes, it really has.
Good night. See you next time.
Good night. See you next time.